Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this birdhouse and stamps from Dollar Tree. I start by painting the face of the birdhouse with plaster chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. And then I'm taking these craft sticks that I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I am making little shingles for the roof. So I just take one and cut it down, and then use that one as my guide to cut the rest. I needed 5 of these little pieces on either side of the roof. And I'm using Fisker shears to cut them down. Once I had them all cut, I started by gluing the first piece towards the bottom, and I had it overhang the roof piece just a little bit. And then the next one, I hot glued a little bit on the roof and then the top of that previous craft stick. And I just kept that process going until I had it filled to the peak of the roof. And then I did the same thing on the other side. After I had those all glued down, I painted the remaining area of the birdhouse with moss colored chalk paint, and that is also by Waverly. I'm also using this wooden candle holder that's from Hobby Lobby, and I painted that with the same moss color. Next, I'm taking the stamps. Again, those are from Dollar Tree, as well as this acrylic stamp block. I put the stamp on the block. It just kind of adheres to it. Place the ink pad down on the stamp, and then stamp on the front of the birdhouse. I then add some hot glue to the top of the candle holder and place down the birdhouse. And then I added in some florals into that little pocket area. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.